How to translate any message or email on Gmail. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Gmail. As you can see, this is my inbox right here. Now all what you have to do is simple. Choose the email that you want to translate. For example, I'm gonna choose, let's say this one. Now let's say that you want to translate this. All what you have to do is just click here on those three dots and you will find many options, but all what you have to do please is click on translate message, and here is the message. Now you will be able to translate it to the language that you have on your browser, easy and fast. It's translated to English. As you can see, from here I'm gonna choose, for example, Chinese, and here let's choose French, and it's changed it. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching until the very end.